A blinking orange light on your Rogers or Xfinity modem router typically indicates it's not properly connected to the internet. This usually stems from signal issues, activation problems, or faults with your coaxial cables and splitters. Think of it as your modem trying to call home but not getting a clear connection. Here's what the blinking orange light looks like on an Xfinity router showing no signal. First, activation. If you've just set up your modem, the blinking light means it hasn't synced with Rogers or Xfinity's network. Second, signal strength. Cable internet relies on strong signals transmitted via coax cables. The light could indicate that the signal is too weak, often due to faulty or outdated cables and splitters. Splitters can also cause signal loss, as shown in these diagrams. We'll delve deeper into these components in the next section. Start with the basics. Power cycle your modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This resets the device and often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check all your coax cable connections for any damage or looseness. Ensure they're screwed in tightly to maintain a secure connection. Examine your splitters, those devices that split the cable signal. Replace any old or cheap splitters with high-quality, eco-friendly models designed for optimal signal transmission. Rogers and Xfinity offer apps with built-in signal meter tools to help you assess your signal strength. Use these to check if your connection meets the required levels. If the problem persists, it might be a broader issue in your area, or potentially a faulty modem requiring professional assistance or a hardware replacement from your provider. Remember, DIY fixes have a 70 to 80% success rate for coax-related issues.